Welcome back to Venkata Tech. So today we are discussing about how to become a data analyst, what skills we require. Regarding we are discussing about. So as a data analyst, we need Excel, SQL, and any visualization tool like a Power BI or else Tableau. We need to learn these things. Then after that we need to apply jobs. Okay, mainly we need to focus on BI only because the most of the work as a data analyst we have in a BI like a Power BI or Tableau we need to work. So Excel and SQL the basic things also we can. Excel we need to learn more. For SQL we need to like a query and debugging. Like we need to extract the data from the database. So we need to learn how to extract the data and how to inject into the like how to connect the data into Power BI. We need to learn these type of things and we need to learn good visualization as well. So then we need to apply uh, for jobs. So for more things, I will update on every day in one video. So do follow for more and subscribe, like and share. Thank you.